Summit? Ano yun? Bundok?
Hindi. Si Conference of Leaders called to shape a program of action.
So anong meron?
Magkakaroon tayo ng National Youth Leadership Summit entitled Becoming 2013.
Talaga? Sino-sino naman makakasali?
Ito ay para sa mga active youth leaders in your local church for at least 6 months.
Na gustong mag-disciple.
And learn how to equip potential youth leaders sa inyong church.
Take note! Maximum of 5 youth leaders na recommended ng inyong pastors.
Wow! Kailan at saan naman itong summit natin? Excited na ako!
Gaganapin ito sa Rizal Recreation Center, San Pablo, Laguna.
At magaganap ito sa May 1 to 4, 2013. Ha? May bayad pa pala yan?
Oo naman! Pero huwag kang mag-alala. It's time to practice our faith that God provides.
Paano naman makasali? Paano nga kaya?
Kapag isa kasi napili ng inyong pastor.
At nakapagbayad ng 500 pesos para sa pre-registration reservation bago mag-December 30, 2012.
Pwede mo lang ituloy ang bayad hanggang April 2013.
At para mas maintindihan mo pa ang mga detalye ng payment, you can check our registration kit or log on to our website www.iambecoming2013.com.
So start praying!
Start saving!
Start dreaming!
And start winning!
Yeah! National Youth Leadership Summit, Becoming 2013! See you there!